right beside you when it needs done.
Okay, let's see you go.
Get going. Come on. Light, come on, Connor. Whoa.
Make it go. Down the hill. See if you can make it go down the hill and then back over into the other driveway.
Okay, come on. No, I need you to drive that. Go, slow down. Go, go, go. That was pretty fun, huh?
Watch, there's a car coming. Wait till the car goes by. Okay. There you go. Woo, you were on 3 wheels.
Hold on, hold on. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uh-oh, you're crashing into Uncle Doug's car. Good job, Daisy.
Keep going. Keep going. Daisy, come here.
Daisy, get up here.
All right, go ahead.
Trying to get ahead of the driver. All right, from one drive to the other, now into the yard. Ice cream face. Up, you got a spinning tire.
Get it? Keep going.
There you go.